Okay, other than installing these sweet 3M hooks, putting in this new water filter may be the easiest project I have done on this entire cargo trailer. You ready to see it? All right, here it is. Hey, John here with Superior Conversions and Outdoors, and on this video we're installing an Undersink water filter in the conversion trailer. So I've got a 30-gallon fresh tank that I use, plus if it's hooked up to city water. I know there's options to go on the outside for doing the hose, but I want to go with something a little bit more for the drinking water side of it. And I've got this Frizzlife underwater, and it is the MK99, which the filtering system on here is an FZ2. So it reduces sediment, reduces chlorine, removes bad taste and odor, reduces cyst, asbestos, and VOCs, bacteria intubation, reduces fluoride, reduces lead, mercury, cadmium, and the only thing it doesn't do is a scale in habitation, which I'm not sure what that is, and that would be the FZ3. But this is the FZ2, so I think it's going to improve our water quality, and especially water that is in the tank currently that's going to be coming out. So the plan is essentially to mount it on the wall right back there. So to do that, we're going to pull the toilet out, and we got to get to that cold water access. And the only place that it's actually going to be filtered is going to be the sink. And I may only have two places that water goes. I have the sink and the outdoor shower, but I'm not filtering the water on the outdoor shower, so that'll be good as well. But this will do, I think it said it'll do 6,000 liters, which I think was like, I looked it up. I think it's 1,500 gallons of water is the life of it. And then I've got a 30-gallon tank, so it's like 5 tanks that it'll filter out. So I think it should last me quite a while. So let's pull some stuff out, get to that water access. We'll open the box, we'll show you what's in there, and let's get it installed. Installation guide, some countertop filters that they make. There's the actual cartridge of it, some mounting holes in, runs everything through there, comes out here. Accessory kit. Sweet. Comes with tape. You can go to a different adapter if you need. Screws for mounting it. Stainless steel braided, so we got plenty of hose to mount it wherever. And wrenches for taking the filter out. Okay, there's the actual filter that you can change out. This is the canister where the water gets pressurized through it. Quarter turn, down it drops. So, because you mount this, that gets hooked on, drop it, and then put that on. All right, we're gonna thread up our lines, get everything onto this out here. This is our supply side. All right, now it's time to go in there and make sure that's gonna fit on the wall where I'm thinking. So really all we're doing is right here on our shut-off valve, which shut that off, is we got the 3/8 threaded nipple on this side, and then we have the 3/8 threaded nut female on this side and on the here. And then this part will thread onto our new supply line. So same connections, just adding a filter in between them. Oh, not too bad at all, guys. Now we've got to get our supply line there. Now we tighten that back down. Okay. And that gets tied into the new supply line. So let's get some thread tape on that bad boy. I mean, I could have done this out there, but I just didn't want it to come off when I was moving it around. Some really cheap stuff. I'm not confident that it's not going to leak. I might have to be replacing it with my other stuff that's back in the storage shed, but we'll try. That's fairly well tucked out of the way. Got one drop. So now the filter's got these O-rings, which just seals it up real nice. So you find out where that goes. Twist it on. Let her go down. And now we do a water test. We're going to check for leakages. Turn the pump back on. Now we're just going to run some cold water. So it says to flush the system for at least 10 minutes. And also checking for leaks right now. Sweet, not seeing any leaks, so I'm gonna let it run for 10 minutes or so, and then I'll check back in here. I'm gonna double check to make sure the toilet still fits. We got about a ½ inch of space, so that's perfect. All right, I'm gonna let that run, and then we'll take a drink of water, see how she tastes. Taste test. That's insane. That is crazy how much better this tastes. Zero aftertaste. Smells like water. Just water. No other like things in the water. Feels like lighter on the tongue Thoroughly impressed. All right, link is down below. Thanks for checking it out. Cheers. My name is John. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any value in it, can you hit that like button for me? Maybe leave a comment. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, would you consider doing that? A simple subscription helps this channel. I'm trying to get my way to 1,000 subscribers. It's kind of the first milestone for YouTube. We're well on our way there, and any support helps. All right, well, that's all I got for you guys on this video. And if you're still here, according to YouTube, you might find this video interesting. I don't know, if you're feeling up to it, go ahead and click on that one. Let me know what you think of that one. I hope you enjoy it. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.